Hello and welcome everyone to today's 3D walkthrough. Today we are going to discuss the 3600 print and apply automated label applicator manufactured by CTM. And as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. This is where the print engine would go. So the print engine, you have a couple of different choices. You can go with the Zebra ZE511 print engine or a Sato S84EX print engine. And up at the top here, this is where the roll of label gets applied between these two discs here at the unwind. And most folks, again, use about an 8-inch OD roll of labels. The standard here is 12-inch OD, and it just makes sense to go with a larger roll. That way there's less downtime when it comes to media changeover. And also make sure that those labels are not perforated, because when there's a perf between each label, then there is a risk to tearing, and that just causes, again, more downtime to read web those labels. So whether you go with a Zebra or a Sato, we can scroll in here. Can't see it from this model, but there would be an air assist tube that would stick out right around here. The print engine comes with its own peel tip, and that label would be printed. Whatever information you send down, whether it's your WMS system or straight from a computer, maybe you're scanning something up the line and then sending the information to the printer to then print and then dispense it onto this label pad. This label pad will match the size of your label, and it has vacuum running to it. So print, dispense it, use that air assist, and you have that vacuum label pad, and the waste will be rewound here on the take-up reel. Let me go back to my home position here. Yep. On the left side here, you can see this is where the valve bank is. So you have the air assist, you have the vacuum, and the actual tamp. Maybe it's not in the same order, but those are what the valves all consist of. You can add a vacuum shutoff valve. So when the printer applicator is not cycling, then the valves would shut off, and that kind of helps with your ROI there. On the back here, the way it's mounted, it's using this U-arm back here that's then mounted to an upright stand, which comes in various heights, and it has flexibility vertically to go up and down. On the back here, you would actually communicate to the printer via Ethernet, and you would communicate to the applicator using a 15-pin NPN I/O. So that I/O is syncing. NPN. I know a lot of times with Siemens, Alberti, the PLCs now are all PMP. Easy fix for that is just to have a relay in between contacts. If I go back to the front here, you also can customize the stroke, so it comes in very many different sizes, really depending on your application. And also the applicator could be mounted in different attitudes. Right now this is a right hand applicator. You can also get a left hand, but you can swing that guy up on the stand and it would stroke out this way, or you can swing it the other way and it will stroke out this way. Or if we go back to the front, we can flip it down. There you go, and it would stroke out towards us to label the side of the box, or go kind of the more typical route, which is maybe a box traveling left to right here, and then we would apply the label to the top of the box. So there's many different applications. The usages here for this printer applicator, it takes a discussion, right? We would love to learn more about your application and how we can help automate your label application and make sure it's a successful one. Please feel free to give us a call or reach out to discuss your application, and we'll be happy to provide you with a tailored, custom-made printer applicator. Thank you.